Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviews Fashion. Today I've got something super exciting for you in unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. These just dropped, and trust me, they're worth every second of attention. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you about a website that's having a huge sale on these and many more sneakers. Alright, let's open this box. First thing you notice is the classic Jordan packaging, premium, and detailed with the Jumpman logo. It immediately gives you that feeling that something legendary is inside. And here they are, Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. Right out of the box, they stand out with a clean yet bold colorway. It's a perfect mix of classic Jordan DNA and a fresh seasonal vibe. Jordan brand has gone all in on quality here. The upper is crafted with strong leather durable, but still soft and comfortable. You can tell these are built to last whether you're rocking them casually or on the court. Now, moving to the midsole, we've got the visible air units. That cushioning is designed not just for looks, but for real comfort. You could wear these all day, and they'd still feel great whether you're walking around or hooping. On the bottom, we've got the traditional Jordan 4 traction pattern. Sneakerheads know this design, it's tried and tested. Stylish enough for the streets, but functional enough for serious play. Overall, the Oxidized Green 4s are everything you want in a Jordan. They balance style, comfort, and performance in a way that makes them a must-have for collectors and everyday wearers alike. Now, before I wrap up, let me put you on to something special. If you're looking to grab these Jordans or explore more options, you need to check out evakicks.x.yupoo.com. For those who don't know, Yupoo is an image hosting platform that many sneaker and streetwear sellers use to showcase their products. And evakicks.x.yupoo.com is one of the best galleries I've seen. It's called Super Goods at Evakicks, and it's loaded with sneakers, from Jordans to Yeezys, Off-White, and much more. Browsing this site feels like stepping into a massive sneaker catalog. Whether you're into the latest Jordan drops, Yeezy releases, or limited streetwear collabs, there's a good chance you'll find something that fits your style. And here's the best part, there are sales going on right now. That means you can get some of the hottest sneakers at great prices. For sneaker enthusiasts, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to explore and pick your next pair. If you're interested, don't worry, I've made it super easy for you. The link to the website, along with their social media accounts and contact numbers, is right there in the description below this video. Just click through, and you'll have direct access to everything. So whether it's the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green or another grail you've had your eye on, make sure to check out evakicks.x.yupoo.com. They've got variety, deals, and a sneaker lineup that's tough to beat. That's it for today's unboxing and website feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Reviews Fashion for more sneaker unboxings, reviews, and fashion content. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fresh.